Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a spicy chicken pasta. I was inspired to make this recipe from visiting Syria in Aleppo. I had this dish at a restaurant and it tasted amazing. So I put together all these ingredients and it turned out to be so delicious. Let's get started. Start out by slicing 2 large chicken breasts and adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Give it a good mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of aleppo pepper. Mix it together and set it aside. Then over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Then add 1 medium diced onion. Cook your onions until translucent in color. Then add 1 diced green bell pepper, 1 diced red bell pepper, and 2 diced jalapenos for some spice. Then add about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. After sauteing your peppers for about 5 minutes, add your chicken. Saute your chicken until it is fully cooked. After your chicken has cooked, go ahead and add 1.5 cups of frozen corn and 1.5 cups of frozen peas and carrots. Then add 1 tablespoon of hot pepper paste. So after sauteing everything all together, turn off the heat and set it aside. We're going to start cooking our bechamel sauce in a separate pot. Before cooking our bechamel sauce, I'm going to go ahead and put a saucepan with some water and some olive oil and salt and wait for it to boil. Let's get our pasta cooking while we cook our bechamel sauce. I added 16 ounces or 1 pound of penne pasta. Now over medium heat in a separate saucepan, I added 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. As soon as your butter is melted, add 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour and start mixing it together to make a roux. We want our flour and butter mixture to have a golden or rosy tone to it. We're going to cook it over medium heat for about 5 minutes until we get that rosy color. Whenever your roux looks like this, go ahead and add 1 cup of milk and keep whisking so you won't get any lumps, and then add 2 cups of half and half. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of Maggie powder or bouillon powder and 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1/2 tablespoon of paprika. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk your mixture up until it starts thickening and comes to a boil. Looks like my sauce is ready. Bring over your pan with the chicken and vegetables and add your bechamel sauce on top and turn on your heat to medium. While your heat is on medium, mix all your ingredients up together with the sauce, and then as soon as your pasta is cooked, add in your penne pasta. Mix your pasta with the sauce until everything is incorporated. And then get a Pyrex or a baking dish and add your pasta mixture to it. Evenly spread your pasta in your baking dish and then top off with 1.5 to 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Broil it in the oven until cheese is melted and it has a golden tone to it. And your spicy chicken pasta is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.